Hello there. At Smart Code Builders, we are committed to optimizing your workflow. That's why today, we're excited to introduce Bulk Letter Creator, our powerful Excel template, designed to help you generate personalized letters in bulk with ease and efficiency. This Excel tool includes a worksheet that lets you define tags in a table, which will be replaced in a customizable way within a predefined Word document that already contains these tags. So you can create as many documents as rows have this table. Also on the Excel ribbon, you will find a tab named after this template, where you can access two buttons: Create Letter, which generates the document with its corrections, and Show Settings, which allows you to modify parameters for letter generation. In the Settings option, you will find a window where you can assign a custom name to each generated document and define the paths for both the letter template and the output folder. Likewise, for email settings, you can configure all content dynamically using tags. These settings include the subject, recipient address, and various other parameters, allowing for greater customization and automation in your emails. Now, let's go through a practical example to explain how this template works. The first thing to consider is maintaining consistency in naming tags across both the letter template and the Excel table. For example, some tags in the Excel table have specific names, while others may follow a simple tag plus number format. Regardless of the naming style, as long as you remain consistent in both files, the tool will function perfectly. Alright, this is our letter template for this example. As you can see, the Excel tool automatically defines the content for each tag in every output document. To illustrate this, we've assigned a different color to each tag style in both files, making it clear which words in the Word document will be modified by the Excel tool. Once you have finished assigning tag names in both the Excel tool and the Word template, you can either go to the Excel ribbon, find the Bulk Letter Creator tab, and click Create Letter button, or select Show Settings button. In the first case, you will be prompted to provide the Word template path and a folder for the output documents. For a more customized experience when generating letters, click the Show Settings button. Here, you can assign a name to each document. We recommend using a tag for this purpose. You can also choose whether to generate both a PDF and a Word document. Additionally, you can set a default path for the letter template and output folder, so you won't be prompted each time you create a new letter. If you use a tag to define file names, the result will be as follows. For the generated template, you will receive a complete letter with all tags replaced by their corresponding words. Remember, the colors were used only to illustrate how the Excel tool works. You don't need to use any colors, as the tool adapts to your needs. Our Excel tool also includes a key feature, an advanced email setup. In the Settings email section, you'll find a dedicated window to customize your email configuration. You can assign an email address, create a draft, choose whether to attach a Word file, compose the email body, and explore many other options. We hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to visit our website for more tools like this.